Hey, it's Ken with MrTruck.com, and this is the Kwick Kranker. Kwick Kranker, it's a name you don't forget, 2 Ks.
Hey folks, this is TC with Kwick Kranker. Loaded on this trailer behind me is 8,000 pounds of steel structural tubing. And so I'm going to demonstrate here real quick if this gadget and my drill can raise this in maybe 7-8 seconds, I hope. But don't forget, I'm using the flex drill that has 1,400 inch-pounds of torque.
The trailer has a single-speed, 2-legged jack.
There you go. Off the trailer, ball in 7 seconds.
Good time.
No.
It's like aerobics or something, huh?
I think I'll buy one of those tools.
Yeah, a Kwick Kranker tool. Everybody should have one.
Don't go away, MrTruck.tv. We'll be right back.
Hey folks, TC with Kwick Kranker again. What we're going to do is demonstrate the most powerful drill I've found on the market. It's called the Flex Hammer Drill with 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. So first of all, you've got to take the drill and put it on the Kwick Kranker tool. And you've got to make sure that the drill is the chuck is going to be locked as tight as you can get it. Make sure it's locked on the 3-point. And then the setting, in order to lift this 12,000 pounds of structural steel, has to be set at the hammer side, right there. And it could be set at any of the numbers.
It can go from...
But we can operate this at on the low setting and on the high setting. Hey, Caden.
Yes, sir.
You're 17 years old.
Yes, sir.
You've been pulling the trigger on this drill for what?
Probably a year now.
Over a year. How many trailers have you lifted with
3
this
or 4
tool?
different trailers, countless times. This and I've done probably half a dozen times. Loaded down, not loaded down. Loaded, right now it's loaded down with about 12,000 pounds worth of full rig pipe. I've done a horse trailer with loaded down with 5 horses.
Has the system ever failed you with
No, sir. It's
the
never
drill you've been
malfunctioned.
using? Has it ever failed?
No, sir. With the drill I've been using, it's never failed. It's never malfunctioned. It's lifted without a problem every time.
Thank you for your solid information here. I hope it's helpful to all you customers. And we really appreciate all of you folks that are buying this gadget. It's foolproof. You've heard it from the young fella, 17 years old. Now what we're going to do is demonstrating how to handle this drill with your hips, because this trying to lift 12,000 pounds of structural steel on this 24,000 pound rated trailer is a lot of horsepower involved in this, and this is about the only drill that I know of that can do it. But it puts a lot of pressure on your arms and your body trying to hang on to this thing. So for you macho guys out there, and women that can handle this, let's demonstrate it right now. So here we go. Notice that checking the chuck, he's bracing the drill against his hip, but he has to know which way he's going. Which way you going, up or down?
Going up.
Okay, going up. So it's standing on the right side of the drill. Go for it. Hold the trigger. There you go. Good, good, good. Now he's going to switch sides. I'll switch sides to lower this thing. And it's tighten the chuck, up or down, go. Okay, good.